Greetings and welcome to our Pixie haircut training course. Are you ready to become a master hairstylist and cut your own pixie haircut? Enroll now and start your journey to hair care excellence. We will teach you all the essential skills and techniques needed to cut perfect pixie hairstyles. Our experienced trainers will guide you through each step, from understanding the hair type and cut to mastering the essential techniques needed to create short, chic, and stylish hairstyles. During the training, you will learn how to 1. Evaluate the face shape and neckline to choose the perfect pixie cut for your individual look. 2. Master the basics of hair cutting and styling, including tools and equipment. 3. Create stunning low-maintenance pixie cuts, from layered to textured styles. 4. Adapt your pixie cut to different hair textures and lengths. 5. Apply hair care products and techniques to keep your pixie hair healthy and strong. 6. Resolve common hair cutting issues and problems to ensure your client's satisfaction. After completing the course, you will receive a comprehensive manual with all the knowledge and skills you acquired. This will allow you to confidently provide your clients with exceptional pixie haircut services. Don't miss this opportunity to elevate your career and become a haircutting superstar. Enroll now and start your pixie haircut training journey today. Please, subscribe for watching, share,